I am about to tattoo my edges. Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. I am going to be trying out tattooed edges today. Baby hair tattoos. Tattoos for your baby hairs, tattoos for your edges. You might have seen this bumping around on YouTube already, so you might already know exactly what I'm talking about. I am so excited. I am going to be trying these. Now, you know exactly what these are. These are temporary tattoos. These are the kind of things that I used to do when I was a kid. Like, I'd get a little Pisces tattoo, or we'd get like the tattoo necklaces. And it seems like they've made a comeback in a big way, especially when it comes to makeup. So people are doing tattooed eyebrows, tattooed lipstick, and all kinds of things. I actually tried this myself a little while ago. I had a little tattooed quote right here, and a lot of you guys on Instagram thought it was real. So I know that these can look really realistic. I've got so many styles right here because I just took the plunge and I went onto eBay and I bought the pack that was like 10 different styles. One of the first things I noticed about these ones is that they're really big. I'm someone who's got a big forehead, so you'd think I'd have enough room for these, but these look pretty massive. But you know what? I'm more excited than I am scared, so let's just get into it. I don't even know which one to select. It's gonna be like this, and then it's gonna be like this, and then it's gonna have a bit like, I think that's going to be a bit too much. Let's just try out a swoopy and see how we do with the swoopy. The first thing that I'm going to do is just clean the top of my head. Just make sure there's no makeup on there, because that will make it so that the tattoo probably can't stick. So you see my completely bald forehead right now. That is going to be our big blank canvas for applying these edges. I'm gonna start off with these ones because they just look maybe like the easiest to manage, because I can just take one at a time like this, you know? If this works, this will be such a game changer because my edges are weak at the best of times. These do not come with any instructions whatsoever. I mean, this is how we used to do it. We used to get a wet cloth. My one's actually really wet. I just dunked it into a glass of water just now. So I'm gonna put this where I want it, which I think, oh gosh, I don't know. Maybe here. Right, get your damp towel and press it on. I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, like, how do my edges usually look? I've forgotten the basics. I don't know, how long do I have to wait till I can take it off? Do I have to wait for it to dry? Like, I seem to remember thinking that, like, you need to, like, test it. Like, try and pull it and see if it comes free. And if it doesn't come free, then it's not done. That did not come free. It has... What? Gosh, I did not think it was done because I could still see it on this side. I thought you could just see it on the other side, so, you know, but it's not. It's like printed on this side. Maybe I should have moved it down a bit, because like if anyone looked closely, they'd be able to see that it's clearly not my hair, because my hair is being brushed this way and the edge is going that way. But I did it like this because if I were to do my edges with my natural hair, I would have brushed it this way.
Well, she tried. At least, you know, she...
So I tried to get this one to match, but I've actually brought this one down a little bit because I don't want it to be in my hairline like the last one was. I think, could I do a middle swoop? Should I attempt a middle swoop, or should I do a little baby one? Yeah, I could do a little baby one. Now that I know that you're going to be able to see this regardless of whether it's stuck or not, I think I'll see if I can just pull it off a little bit quicker. So I thought that wasn't done. We lost the tip of the edges right there. Do you know what? If I could just cheat and just bring my hair into that. Ooh. But is that allowed? Right, just so you know I'm not cheating, I'm gonna actually keep my edges pulled back. This could actually be really helpful for people who genuinely do not have baby hairs. So I'm not even gonna cheat by trying to like bring my baby hairs into it. I've managed to make my head look very square though. I've suddenly looked like SpongeBob Blockhead. Yeah! Okay. Oh my god, I sounded like Lucinda from Love Island just then. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm hopeful. Oh, this one's looking a bit funky under that. Oh, haven't it? Like, I wonder if you need to like slide. Oh. Oh. Oh no! I did it too quickly and it's like hanging off. Ah! Oh, damn. Alright, I just broke the tail of that one off. Okay, it doesn't look as cute as I wanted it to. I think I actually rushed both of these two, so they both lost their tails. Had a little slug hanging off my face just then. A little slithering slug. This one was a little bit too far into my hair. Oh, it's sticky. Are these looking all right? Honestly, I am not the edges queen. I do not know how to do my edges the best ever. I've got to do something about this forehead though to stop myself looking like a blockhead. So I'm gonna try one of these out. It doesn't seem right for what I want. Okay, let's just try it. And if I don't like it, what can I do? It's a tattoo at the end of the day, isn't it? No, do you see what I mean? They're too big. They're too big. Can you imagine getting a real permanent edges tattoo? Like, how on earth would you choose what you want? Like, if I do them to the side, they're gonna have to overlap this one. This is gonna look like curtains. Really regretting this decision. I should have done a middle one. I should have done a middle one. By the way, guys, this is a mirror, and every time I look at it, I think it's like an iPad or something. It's by Style Pro, and it was actually gifted to me, and it's really cool because it has this like microscopic mirror. Ooh, hey guys. A little bit dirty, but it's really cool and it's magnetic. Amazing. And it does actually have lights all around it too. I just don't have any batteries in there. So just in case you're wondering what this mirror is. Okay, let's not fret. It could be alright. Calm your horses. Okay, let's go for it. No! Look at me with this big bald patch right here. This is not what I want. Like, I really can't change it too much though because it needs to be even with the other side, otherwise it will just look silly. Oh, that was not coming off! It's stuck! I definitely could have done it in a different pattern, but I guess this is a good way to just show you how it can turn out. This for some reason did just not end well. At the top here, you see it's kind of like peeling off. I don't know why it didn't want to settle.
That's a sign.
But I have something for this. We are going to fix this up. We're going to try and make the most of this. I can't take myself seriously. It looks so funny. Girl. I look like the guy from Charlie's Angels that sniffs hair. He gets the hair and he's like, okay, so I have some tiny little gems right here that I just want to stick onto the edges and hopefully just finish this off and try to disguise the fact that they are in fact temporary tattoos. Oh, that looks kind of cute now. Oh, yes. Alright, this pattern is obviously not the best pattern ever. It's actually a really bad pattern. A bit of an experiment. It's definitely not a tutorial. It's definitely not a look. But I think it turned out okay. From far away, you don't even know that these aren't hairs. Like, you don't know that these aren't natural. And you come a bit closer and you're like, there's something fishy going on here. Her edges don't touch her hair. They overlap and they get cut off and they look a little bit sticky and they look a little bit like plastic. This girl kind of looks like a Ken doll, but it's okay. Like, I definitely feel like this would be helpful to a lot of people. I think if you just spend a little bit more time on it, you can definitely get it to look better than this. I think if I could do this again, I would not include these two and I would just leave it on for a bit longer to make sure I don't cut it off like how I cut it off here and here. And I would just try to figure out a way that I can get it close enough to my hair but not on top of my hair. But overall, I would say that these are actually a good product. I'm currently taking my makeup off for the day. I should probably show you how these actually come off just to see like how permanent they are, how hard they are to get off. Like, could you realistically try to make it out as if these were your real edges, like for a weekend away or something like that? Like, how long do they actually stay? So I'm using the Bare Minerals Oil Obsessed Total Cleansing Oil and it's actually not coming off with that. That's actually what spurred me on to make this video because I was kind of just doing this and I was like, hang on, these aren't coming off. Like, a little bit of it is rolling off. If you weren't specifically targeting this and if you were just taking off your makeup for the day, these would stay on. Now I'm just gonna wet my face with water and then I like to use like a little makeup removing towel And again, like, it doesn't come off that easily, but like right now it is coming off. But to be fair, I have been kind of scrubbing at it, and I think that's where it's gonna call it quits. So I haven't actually even used a makeup cleanser yet, apart from the oil-based cleanser and the makeup eraser. So actually I've used 2 makeup removers, but then I'm going to use a 3rd makeup remover. And this one survived 2 out of 3. So I would say it kind of is semi-permanent, because unless you're literally targeting it to take it off, it actually doesn't come off. It survives water, it survives oil. Also, just let me know, do you like these? Would you try these? And do you think they're useful? So I am going to do my comment shout out winner, but because I filmed this video in advance, I can't say it in person.
Hey, you are the comment winner from the last video. I actually don't think I'm allowed to say your username out loud, but you know who you are. I just thought your comment was so sweet, and I just want to say thank you for commenting and thank you for watching my last video. I hope you're having an amazing day.
So at the moment I'm doing this thing where I have comment winners. So one comment winner will have their comment pinned to the top of the comment section, and the other comment winner will get a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked the video. Also subscribe, turn on your notifications, get me on Instagram so that you don't miss the behind the scenes and all that extra stuff going on over there, and on TikTok. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!